Hey guys, what's up? Yes, I'm a little excited. I think Layla is more excited than me. You know why? Because today we're gonna unbox the brand new Scx10. Yes guys, I am elated. This model has been out from 2014. It's the 14th of 2016. We're gonna unbox it. So let's go. We got all the handy knives. Got the ready to run scale. Reason being because it was way cheaper than all the other rest. You see what I'm saying? Next side. Cool. Cool.
Okay.
Man, this is nice. This is more than we expected. It smells good too. Nice soft tires.
Oh.
Got some extra parts in here.
Yeah. I have some dollars.
Got the receiver in here.
Whoa.
Let's check out the receiver.
Whoa! I like them popping bubbles. My popping bubbles. Yes. Okay, now.
Yeah, I guess that's nice. Yeah. Got a booklet. Shows all the functions on the back of the box. Inside of the box.
Yeah.
On the bottom of the box. Now we have something. We're gonna have a few trailers on. You understand what I'm saying? In a minute though, in a minute. Well, this is Snoop. I think we're gonna do our first run very soon. And sign off. I'm gonna link you guys later. Have a good one.